a little trick I wanted to show everybody that I do with my empty fragrance containers. I've used all of this, and I'll get the water. Now I'll just use this container, which is already done, to fill this one up. So fill it up, and you're gonna need spray bottles. You can get some from like Dollar Tree. Fill like halfway up, and the top, see on the top all that dust, we're gonna use that to our advantage. Put the top back on. Make sure you cover up the 2 holes, and they are located in different spots on all of them, but it's mostly in the tops. And then see how I did that? And see how it looked? So now, whatever fragrance this was, you can use it as a spray for your house. And I spray like my furniture and everything like that. And I also add essence oils to it, so it'll smell a little bit more potent. So that smells exactly like the bead fresheners. And then I'm mixing with this one, so it'll smell like the both of these different fragrances together. Oops, that don't go in there. Put this back on. And then if I needed to, which I don't, I will put it in the spray bottle with extra fragrance oils if I wanted to. And then you just use it to just mist your house and spray the house. Make sure you label your bottles. Okay, so for the second part, you're going to need some baking soda, a glass jar, and any essence oil that you love the most. This one right here is called Mountain Meets the Ocean. I got it off of Amazon. And what we're going to do is put about 5 to 10 drops in the baking soda. Depends on how much baking soda you have. And we're going to make a deodorizer for your rugs. So right here, I'm going to put about 5 of them in there. And I'm going to break it all back down. Then I'm going to sprinkle it on the carpet later. And it can last up to about a month or so, but it's pretty awesome. Okay, and so for number 3, I'm making my own personalized fabric softener scent. I like to take 3 to even 4 different fragrances and mix them all together. Like when I get about half of a container that's empty already, I just fill it up with whatever fragrance I think can complement that one and make a whole new fragrance. I'm gonna use that half of that, other half. And then I'm also going to mix some of the Downy beads with it. And it just makes a very beautiful aroma. It lasts on your clothes a lot longer, in my opinion. I don't want to fill it up all the way. I want to make sure I have enough room to shake everything and mix it all together. And then if you want to know how it's going to smell, squeeze the top and see if you like it or not. But if you don't, it's too late because you've already mixed it. And I also like to put on an opposite
Hello
lid.
everyone, I hope you have been safe, happy, in love, and remembering to make memories. Chris said, hey, didn't turn the camera on. And then there's another one around here somewhere. But anyways, back to what I'm trying to say. This is something that's extremely simple. We have this rug here where it slips a lot. So I looked up online for some of those little slip grip things that I used to have. I threw my old one away. But the cheapest I could find is like $17. So what I'm gonna do is I have my adhesive spray, and I went to the Dollar Tree and got several of these little shelf covering things. They kind of look like this. And I also have like an old piece of one of my old ones that I wasn't able to use all of. So we're gonna combine those things together and make our own slip grip instead of spending $17. So let's see how many of these I have to use. These were $1 each. And this came from an old roll that was like extremely big. That was like $3 from like Home Depot. So I'm gonna turn the rug. Go in your room, I'm sending the spray. Go to your room. Go! So, you get the adhesive spray. And I'm going to put this one in the middle since it's the only one of this kind. I'm going to try to see about how wide they got to go. And try to just follow that. Make sure it's saturated good with the Deodorant. It's gonna soak it up.
Kamar, why say that? And it's rainbow. Why is this rainbow? It's a moisture.
And that's just that simple. Now we got one breakthrough. And I'm gonna try to put other ones down too. Let's see how long they are. I don't know how long these ones are from the Dollar Tree. Normally I get them from Home Depot. As long as we got like the perimeter done, it'll be okay. So it don't really have to be like completely all the way down the side, like the whole under rug that they normally have.
Hey Mom, what is this for anyways?
What else? This?
Yeah. Also, I want to slip a high grip and stuff on it. Oh, yeah, we definitely need that.
No, you can't jump off your bed. You can break your neck. No, I'm not going to allow it. No, you can't jump off your bed. No, you're not going to jump off your bed. No bed. No, not off the dresser either. Quit jumping off anything. No, jump off the floor. How about that? Yeah, jump off the floor. Go. Yep, just like this.
Make sure all the little lint balls is picked up, even though I sweat this stuff still.
Yeah, I've never been to that shop before. I've never been to that before.
And we are all done. I let it dry for like 10-15 minutes. And as you can see, it's not slipping anywhere. So, she's so crazy. What else gonna do, Carlos? You supposed to run.
Mr. Carlos, how do you go in that phase?
Oh, okay. I guess you can if you put too much force, but don't do that.
But yeah, it's gripping pretty good. And that was just like a $7 to $10 hack. I'm gonna do the same slip grip technique that I just did with this one. Let me flip it. For these, I've already swept the bottom of it. So I'm gonna go ahead and start laying, and I'll just come in and out during. I have not sprayed this down, but I see that the length of one is good for one side, so I'm just gonna put it on both sides, and then that'll be all for us. We end up being able to do 2 rugs for $10. Well, $12 instead of $17 for just one rug. We're about to give out on this one. And for the other rug, that's Miss Melody there. While I'm waiting for the other rug, it's not sugar, it's the stuff I make for the carpet. I'm going to, girl, you know I done did this plenty of times. Sprinkle the carpet, smell good on here. Baking soda. And that's good enough because I still got this much left, and I still got my other rug that I need to flip over, and I'm gonna put it on there. It's on and doing good. Yeah, it take a lot of force to get in there, but that's decent enough for me. Alright, thank you all for watching. Make sure you like, subscribe, comment, hit the notification bell. Remember to stay happy, stay in love with whomever and whatever it may be. There's stuff all over me. And remember to make memories. Memories today I made was doing it yourself sometimes is just best. And I'm a very frugal person, so it was worth it. Bye, y'all.